A good night's sleep can be hard to come by in this modern world, but there's some tech out there that can help. Here are 5 genius sleeping products to help you get the most shut-eye.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
The Flamingo P light-blocking curtains keep those annoying morning sun rays out of your face while you're hitting the snooze button. These curtains cancel out light as well as noise and cost about $14. Sixus blue light filter glasses are helpful for those who can't put down their phone. The blue light emitted from laptops, phones, and other digital screens throws off our sleep cycles, but these handy specs can reduce those effects for $20. The NodPod takes the regular eye mask to a whole new level. It provides gentle pressure, like a weighted blanket for your face. Pick up the latest eye mask tech for $30. The ElectroFan white noise machine drowns out loud pipes and wailing sirens. This machine provides a soothing rhythmic sound that'll lull you to sleep fast for $50. The Zena memory foam mattress topper is perfect for those who want to transition to a foam sleeper but don't want to shell out for a full mattress. This 4-inch pad lays atop your mattress and gives you the same experience for $160. These cool gadgets will have you multiplying your Z's in no time.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.